Okay, spring has arrived and everybody in the farmyard knows it's here, including the sheep. Which, this morning, I woke up and they were missing. Obviously, they've gone to look for greener pastures or green grass. So today we're gonna go try to find them, see where they've gone, and patch any holes in the fence we have.
We went for a jog to find the sheep, and we were jogging beside the road, and then we noticed there was the sheep, quite a bit of a ways away from us.
Yeah, we found them. They are indeed along the road. There's plenty of good grass on the property, but they decided to go for a walk. So we pushed them back in, and we're going to try to push them out into the east pasture behind us. Hopefully there's no holes in the fence, and they're going to stick.
Hopefully.
Well, hopefully. Let's see how this goes. It looks like it was working. Everything was working. We'd patched some holes in the fence, and the sheep were in there. Until late this afternoon, they seem to have got out and gone off wandering again looking for grass. Well, James, we seem to have no luck with them today.
Nope.
There seems to be a lot of holes in our fence, so looks like that's what we're doing this spring, is fixing holes. We moved them over to a new pasture until I can find the holes in the fence on that other one, because I know where these ones are. I'm going to try 2 different techniques to patch the holes. I got some electric fence post sticks that I'm just going to stick into the ground until I come up with another solution. I have these long poles that I'm going to try to weave into the fence because they go right into the fence. Sheep seem to go under rather than over. And if you got a bad sheep in the bunch, they're going to know where the holes are and they're going to go under the fence. So I'm gonna try to weigh down the fence and see if that works and try to keep them in there. I thought I'd solved everything with the sheep, found them a new pasture where they'd be happy and wouldn't jump the fence. But guess what? It's the morning and there are my sheep outside of their pasture. So I'm gonna try a new technique now, see what I can do to get these guys back in. Something's gotta work. If you got any suggestions, please let me know. So subscribe to our channel, follow us on our social media channels, like us, and we'll keep you updated on how to keep sheep in.